Welcome to the Pollak Library. In this video, I'll show you how to navigate OneSearch, the library's largest database, and introduce you to our Dance LibGuide, a curated collection of resources for researching dance. This is the library's homepage, library.fullerton.edu. Right on the front, you'll see the OneSearch bar. OneSearch searches hundreds of thousands of records, including physical books, ebooks, academic articles, media, and materials from other databases and libraries. For this example, I'll research how Martha Graham influenced postmodern ballet. In academic databases, it's best to search for keywords, not full sentences like you would in Google. So I'll start by typing Martha Graham into the search bar. Before you begin, make sure to log in. This gives you full access to e-resources and allows you to request materials through interlibrary loan. You'll log in using your regular campus credentials. Once logged in, my search for Martha Graham brings up about 8,000 results, everything from books and scholarly articles to films and reviews. To focus my results, I'll add more specific keywords. My first keyword is Martha Graham, and my second is ballet. Because I'm researching postmodern ballet, I'll add synonyms using the or operator. So I'll type in ballet or contemporary ballet or postmodern ballet. These are Boolean operators, and, or, and not, and they help refine our search. And narrows your results by combining terms, or broadens your search by including related terms, and not excludes terms you don't want. I've also placed contemporary ballet and postmodern ballet in quotation marks to keep the words together as exact phrases. When I search again using these new search terms, my results drop to around 1,400, which is much more manageable. On the left side of the screen, you can filter your results. I'll select books, so only physical and electronic books appear. There are just over 1,000 that mention Martha Graham and ballet. Let's open one. You'll notice that each record shows availability before you click. This one says it's available as a physical book on the 5th floor on the south side of the library, and also as an ebook. Clicking the title opens the record. To read online, select the ProQuest eBooks link. Scrolling down, you'll see the book's location and call number. This is the unique code printed on the spine that helps you find it on the shelf. Books about dance are located on the 5th floor of the south side of the library. You can expand your search to books and media at all CSUs to see items available at other campuses. If you see request this item from other libraries, it means we don't have it here, but you can request it easily through interlibrary loan. Interlibrary loan allows you to borrow physical books, media, or PDFs of articles from other libraries. When requesting, you can choose to pick up your item at the circulation desk or have it placed in the library's 24/7 lockers on the south side of the library. Most requests arrive within 5 days. To find articles, go to Advanced Search and select Articles at the top. If your professor asks for peer-reviewed or scholarly sources, check the peer-reviewed journals filter on the left. This removes newspapers, magazines, and trade publications. Let's look at an example. Clicking on the article title opens its record, which lists the database that hosts it, publication information, and tools like the citation generator. Always double-check these citations for accuracy before including them in your bibliography. Scroll down to read the abstract, a short summary that helps you decide whether the article fits your research. When you're ready to download, select any of the database links. The article will be identical across them. I'll choose Project Muse, where I can download the PDF directly. If you ever get stuck or can't find what you need, click the Ask for Help tab at the bottom of the screen. This opens up a 24/7 chat with a real librarian who can guide you through your research. You're never going to be talking to AI or a bot. It's always a real person. Next, let's look at the Dance LibGuide. From the library homepage, select Research Guides, then choose Dance. This guide highlights the most relevant databases, tips, and tools for dance research. Under Background Information, you'll find reference databases, collections of dictionaries and encyclopedias. These don't include academic articles, but are great for learning foundational facts and history. Think of them as reliable alternatives to Wikipedia. Let's open Oxford Reference and search for Martha Graham. There are over 500 entries. Clicking one from the Oxford Encyclopedia of Women in Real History provides a detailed summary of her life and includes a bibliography. If I want to locate one of these sources, like the book Bird's Eye View, I can click Find It to check whether it's available through OneSearch. It is, both as an ebook and a physical copy. The next tab, Books and eBooks, reviews how to find books in OneSearch and includes call number locations for dance materials, all on the fifth floor south side of the library. Under Articles, you'll find recommended databases for dance research. Some display a OneSearch icon. This means OneSearch already searches this database. Others, like Humanities Full Text, don't have this icon, so you'll need to search for those separately to find additional results. Let's try Humanities Full Text. It looks a little different but works the same. One keyword per line plus synonyms. Running the same Martha Graham search returns about 120 results. You can narrow to peer-reviewed at the top of the screen. Be sure to read the brief descriptions of each database to understand what kind of materials they contain. I've also separated databases that focus on scholarly texts from those that index newspapers and magazines. You'll also find databases with audio and video content. For instance, in Dance Online, a quick search for Martha Graham brings up performances, interviews, and scholar instructional videos, even a full feature on her dance technique. If you're looking for performance reviews, check the databases that include newspapers and magazines. That's where reviews are most often published. The Websites tab includes links to reputable sites on dance companies, history, and technique, along with tips for evaluating online sources. Finally, under Citations, you'll find information on MLA citation style and quick guides to verify automated citations from databases like OneSearch. That's it. This has been a brief overview of dance research resources at the Pollak Library. For links to everything shown here, check the description below, and remember, you could always chat with a librarian if you need help. Happy researching!